welcome back to my channel. This is Rishant, he is Ritvik. Today we are gonna make Keka watch. Let's get started. These 4 shapes of cardboard we need to make Keka watch. So let's get started. So first we need to take this bigger size and draw here Keka shape. The shape should be look like this. I drawn this, it should be looking like this. Give me scissor. Thank you. It's time to cut. See, I cut it like this. Okay. Now let's cover it with black color. Before coloring black color, trace one paper like this and stick it here. It should be looking like this. Give me square shape cardboard. Okay. Draw a shape on this like this. It should be looking like this. Now it's time to cut. It should be looking like this. The shape should be looking like this and trace it with paper. I traced it like this and paste it up of this. It looks like this. Paste it up over here. Okay? Paste it like this. It should be looking like this. And make a circle and paste it over here.
Marker.
Give me one marker. Oh, and cardboard. Yes. And trace it here one shape. Let me show you. It should be looking like this. Let me show you perfectly. See, it should be looking like this. Now it is cutting time. It should be looking like this and paste it over here, front of here too. It should be looking like this. Make a small piece of paper and paste it here, like this. And one more thing, cut a circle and keep it here. Make a circle and draw over here small map. It should be looking like this and paste it over here like this. You can draw any of map, your own. It should be looking like this. Now paste here small lines. Let me show you. Take a cardboard like this and paste it this side. Now this watch is ready. One more thing we should paste here, buttons. It should be looking like this and paint it red and black. Now also attach here one band. You can also make this watch fat. I made it thin. Now I will make it the band. Keep it here velcro. Our Keka watch is done. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.